My name is Mr. Edwards. What's your name?
My name is Bella.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Now, here are two pictures. My picture is nearly the same as yours, but some things are different. For example, in my picture there are two swans swimming on the lake, but in your picture there's only one swan, okay? I'm going to say something about my picture. You tell me how your picture is different. In my picture, I can see people are sitting in two boats.
In my picture, there's only one person sitting in a boat.
In my picture, there is a spotted tent.
In my picture, there is a striped tent.
In my picture, there is a man sitting near the fire. He's grilling a sausage.
In my picture, the man sitting next to the fire is reading a newspaper.
In my picture, I can see a woman lying on the chair. She is wearing sunglasses.
In my picture, the woman is not wearing sunglasses.
In my picture, there is a lizard on the rock near the lake.
In my picture, there is no lizard. There is a snail.
In my picture, the baby is holding an octopus toy.
In my picture, the baby is holding a toy boat.
Very good. Emma and Robert go to the same school. I don't know anything about Emma's favorite teacher, but you do. So I'm going to ask you some questions. What's Emma's favorite teacher's name?
Her name is Miss Crown.
What subject does she teach?
She teaches science.
Where does she live?
She lives on South Street.
And what is her hobby?
Hiking.
Does she wear glasses?
Yes.
Now you don't know anything about Robert's favorite teacher, so you ask me some questions.
What is his teacher's name?
His name is Mr. August.
What subjects does he teach?
He teaches geography.
Where does he live?
He lives on Flower Road.
Does he wear glasses?
No, he doesn't.
What's his hobby?
He likes snowboarding. These pictures tell a story. It's called A Trip to the Mountain. Just look at the pictures first. Frank has a dream. In his dream, he is climbing a mountain. He sees beautiful clouds around. It's so beautiful. Now you tell the story.
While they are eating dinner, his father talks about going on a vacation to the mountains. After dinner, they pack up their clothes to get ready. Then, they go on a beautiful hike through the mountains. In the end, they grill sausages near a lake.
Very good. Now let's talk about your holidays. Where do you like going on holiday?
I like going to the beach.
Who do you go on holiday with?
With family and friends.
When do you have a holiday?
During summer.
What do you like to do on your holiday?
I like to swim at the beach.
Tell me about your favorite holiday trip.
I really enjoyed the time I went snorkeling.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.